plaque of recognition to the past president concerned in the past president, 1979 to 1981, Attorney Erly Viray. Past President, 1991 to 1993, Attorney Augurio Pamintuan.
For Development, Ampuluson Urban Beltway Super Region Champion. Salamat king introduction. Ali, pinagdamang text para mong taungin. Our cabinet members are here today. Congressman Parangalan Kenny.